Hey there, so I thought we could do a bit of Duolingo today. I haven't done anything for such a long time. So I figured we'd just do some autumn cleaning and do these 3 broken ones. That should be a quick little session, and hopefully that might get me back into the groove. Okay, so as you see, I also have the dark mode now, which is perfect because I love dark mode in every app. The more the better. Terve. Minä olen Otso. Anteeksi. Kuka sinä olet? Sinä, you, olet, are, I guess. Or sinä, you, olet, you are you. Yeah, whatever. Let's just go forward. Terve. Minä olen Tyyne. I am Rosa. Kiitos, Tyyne. Sorry, Väinö. Like, these lessons feel really unnecessary because this is a name. And you generally don't translate names. Yeah. Terve. Kuka sinä olet? Olen Väinö. Anteeksi, Aino. Terve. Minä olen Otso. Aino, sinä olet mukava. Kuka sinä olet? It said it really slow, like mukava. Like with this one here, the turtle speed. Mukava. Mukava. Minä olet oops. My mistake. Oh my god. Oh no, it's doing the slow one. Minä olen Rosa. I think I need to just spam this for a while. Okay. Because I don't want it to do that anymore. Oh no, it's doing it. How do I get it to stop? Like, I know you can't hear it, but it's so annoying for me. Especially if it's gonna do this the entire day. Sinä olet. Okay. Close. No, thank you. And 1 done. And we're back with 60. Oh, you can see here maybe. No, okay. But yeah, it's been a couple of days since I did it, and I've just kept on freezing it every day. I don't know why. It feels like such an unnecessary thing to think about, but yeah, I've done that. Pyri on todella todella hauska. Pyry on todella hauska. He is a child. Beautiful, kaunis. Sinä olet erittäin. I don't even know what that means. And my voice got all weird. A child. Lapsi. Visa is a woman. Joni on komea. Sinä olet kaunis. Hän on mukava ja komea. No, sinä olet aina mukava. Well, you are always nice. Joni on mies. Sinä olet todella komea. You are very handsome. No, sinä olet aina mukava mies. Sinä olet velho. Sinä olet velho. Just in case you didn't know. Oh, so this is a hard exercise. And it's the same one we just had, which, oh, it makes it so difficult. It would be so funny if I failed it. No. Wouldn't it? Like I almost did, because I didn't see that I pressed the V. Didn't press the V. Aina on nainen. Like there's nothing hard about those questions. It's literally the same ones that I have just been doing. So I don't know why they keep making it out to be difficult. It's not. Sorry, rant over. Out of curiosity. Yeah. I mean, this one wouldn't be so difficult to win if I actually cared about it, but yeah. I don't see the point of it. Tyttö. That sauna image looks so nice. I hope this Christmas will be like that. Full of snow. Olen sauna. I'm a sauna. Olen ystävä. Well, I hope that's true. I'm a friend. Olen suomalainen. You are Finnish. Kantele on kaunis soitin. You are a good friend. Hyvä Suomi. No, I did it. Go pyri. Olen herra Pöllönen. Sinä olet aina hyvä ystävä. You are always a good friend. Tämä on... Oops, what happened? Okay, maybe I should use both my hands. Hilla on suomalainen nainen. Liisa on rehellinen tyttö. Hän on rehellinen mies. Matti on sisukas suomalainen tyttö. Olen rouva Pöllönen. Olen herra Pöllönen. Tämä on kantele. So yeah, this is a bit annoying. The ad is still bright, but like I have it in dark mode. So if I was lying in my bed in the dark doing this and that ad popped up, that would be so rough on my eyes, I think. But yeah, I'll try to get more time in on the Duolingo. I don't know why I haven't been feeling it recently, but yeah, one step at a time. And we got through one day at least. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please take care, wash your hands, and I'll see you soon. I forgot the word. Näkemiin.